Almost 85% of car owners have no idea their own vehicle is hiding features that could save them hundreds of dollars, and in some cases, get them out of a genuinely dangerous situation. These aren't rare luxury car gimmicks either. Most of them are sitting in your driveway right now. One feature on this list can save you from a $3,000 mistake that mechanics see every single week, and almost nobody talks about it. Here's 8 secret car tricks you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with secret number 8. Secret number 8, the pin trick for your windshield washer nozzles. Your washer fluid is spraying too high and sailing right over the glass, or it's hitting the wipers and just smearing everything around. Most people assume the nozzles are broken and head to a shop, where a simple service visit runs $80 to $120 for something that takes 30 seconds at home. But here's what they don't tell you. Those nozzles are adjustable by design. Grab a regular sewing pin or a paperclip, stick it into the little spray hole, and gently pivot the nozzle until it's aimed right at the middle of your windshield. Test it, adjust again, done. Here's the kicker. This same trick unclogs nozzles that have been blocked by wax or road grime, which is the actual cause of weak spray most of the time. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save you embarrassment every single time you rent a car. Secret number 7, the gas tank arrow. You pull into a gas station in a rental car or your spouse's car, and you have no clue which side the fuel door is on. So you crane your neck, check the mirrors, maybe even get out to look. Here's the deal. Look at your fuel gauge. Right next to the little gas pump icon, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is. It's been standard on almost every vehicle built in the last 20 years, and surveys suggest roughly 2/3 of drivers have never noticed it. And here's what makes this even better. If there's no arrow, the little gas pump icon itself usually has its handle hose on the correct side. You'd be very much surprised by this next one. Secret number 6, your key fob has a backup plan. Your fob battery dies in a parking lot, the doors won't unlock, and you're picturing a $150 locksmith call or a tow. But here's how it actually works. Almost every key fob has a hidden mechanical key tucked inside it. Look for a small release button or slider on the back, and a metal key blade pops right out. Then check your driver's door handle. On many cars, especially Toyota, Honda, and BMW models, there's a tiny plastic cap on the handle that pries off to reveal a real old-school keyhole underneath. Here's the kicker. Even with a dead fob, many push-button start cars will still fire up if you hold the dead fob directly against the start button. There's a backup sensor built in for exactly this situation. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Secret number 5, your headrests are a hidden escape tool. Picture a worst-case scenario. Your car ends up in deep water, the electronics die, and power windows won't budge. This is rare, but safety experts say it happens hundreds of times a year, and you have maybe 30 to 60 seconds to act. Here's what they don't tell you. Those headrests pull completely out of the seat, and the 2 metal posts on the bottom are made of hardened steel. Jam one of those posts into the bottom corner of the side window, and it can shatter tempered glass when nothing else in the car will. Here's the kicker. Some manufacturers, including certain Mercedes models, actually designed the headrest posts with this emergency use in mind. Now, if you've made it this far, we'd really appreciate you liking the video. It genuinely helps us keep making more car tips videos just like this one. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Secret number 4, your sun visor swings sideways. You're driving at sunset, and the sun is blasting through the driver's side window right in your eyes, and you're doing that awkward lean and squint move the whole way home. But here's the deal. Grab your sun visor and pull it off the inside clip, the one closer to the middle of the car. The whole visor swings around on its hinge and covers the side window. It's designed to do exactly that. Most people go decades without ever unclipping it, and here's what makes this even better. On many newer cars, the visor also slides along its rod, so you can extend it to cover that annoying gap near the rearview mirror. But if you thought that was useful, this next feature is one dealerships barely mention. Secret number 3, your key fob can roll your windows down. It's a blazing hot summer day, your car's been baking in a parking lot for hours, and the inside is a brutal 130 degrees. Here's how it actually works. On many vehicles, press the unlock button once, then press and hold it for about 3 seconds, and all your windows start rolling down. You can vent that oven-hot air before you even open the door. Many GM, Ford, and Volkswagen models have this enabled from the factory, while brands like Toyota and Lexus often have the hardware built in but need a dealer to switch it on, usually for free. Here's the kicker. Some cars also let you hold the lock button to roll everything back up remotely. Now, for a secret that could genuinely keep you safe in the rain. Secret number 2, the quarter test for your tires. Everyone's heard of the penny test, but here's what AAA found when they actually tested it. A tire at the legal minimum of 2/32 of an inch of tread, which is what the penny test checks, needed up to 87 extra feet to stop on wet pavement at highway speeds. That's more than 5 car lengths. But flip that coin around, stick a quarter into your tread with Washington's head down. If you can see the top of his head, you're at about 4/32 of an inch, and that's where wet grip really starts falling off. Here's the kicker. New tires at the same AAA test stopped significantly shorter than even half-worn ones, so knowing this number matters more than the age of the tire. And now, the biggest payoff on this entire list. Secret number 1, your oil cap is telling you exactly how to avoid a $3,000 mistake. Most modern engines, especially anything with a turbo, need a very specific oil weight, like OW20. Use the wrong oil, or worse, let a quick lube shop guess, and you can slowly cook your timing chain and turbo bearings. That repair bill runs $2,500 to $3,500, and mechanics say they see it constantly. Here's the good news. Pop your hood and look at the oil filler cap. On most cars built in the last 15 years, the exact oil grade is printed right on it. Your owner's manual confirms it in 2 minutes. Here's the kicker. The EPA has found the correct oil grade can also improve fuel economy by 1 to 2%, which quietly saves you money at every fill-up. So here's my question for you. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments and be honest, because I'm betting number 8 caught most of you off guard. And if you want more car secrets that actually save you money, hit subscribe, because the next video is one you don't want to miss.